I'm Jelle.
And I'm Patrick.
Together we are JP Adventures 19. It looks really naked now. Alright, while Patrick is taking care of our new water tank for Zippy, I took the glove box out of Moggy. This is how it looks like behind it. And now I'll clean it and spray paint it because it's pretty disgusting. If you look at it, all these burnt marks and... We started taking Moggy apart. Check it out. No more sides on the tray. We got a part of the exhaust out, which was a bit of a pain because everything was rusted together. So is this bit, so we can't get it off. We'll try again tomorrow. And now Patrick's up for something crazy. So what's going on?
So we can't get these stupid screws out because I guess they glued them in before they put them in, and there's only a nut on the bottom and you can't actually hold them. And we tried putting just a slit in there to hold it with a screwdriver and it doesn't work. So now, grinding them all out. Yay!
Go for it. New day, new luck. We're still trying to get rid of these MDF plates, and now using the big machines. Here we go. Check this out. It works! Well, he's actually lifting the Mog.
At least you know the force with the hand on top of the top.
Check this out. That's alright.
Oh yeah, that's alright.
Beautiful.
Actually went after 2 days of heavy crowbarring. I got it all out.
No, actually we're so happy our farmer had a forklift and helped us out, because that saved us a lot of time doing this shit.
Oh yes.
And now look at this. These are the jerry can holders and our mud guard. Great, but look at the wood, it's disgusting. I'm so happy we took it off, to be honest.
There's no more wood left. It's all just rotten.
This is what the Mog looks like now. So we took off the wooden and aluminium plates, and now you can see all the air lines and fuel lines and everything. It's great. New day today. It's Australia Day, so we don't have to work and have a lot of time working on the Mog.
Yep.
We're getting rid of these canopy bars. 4 are out already. 5th one to go. We're now taking off the spare tire. We're currently taking off the roof lining because it's disgusting. Look at all. And also we found holes in the roof. Not very nice. We took the snorkel off, which was a very good decision because it wasn't sealed anymore. It actually fell apart. We're trying to take off the front part of the tray with the angle grinder. We don't want to cause bushfires, so we'll wet the grass.
Ready? Yella's gonna do some hammering now.
Oh yes. So what did we get done so far? Roof lining, a part of the dashboard, the tray, the sidewalls. He was tracing some wires.
Yep, traced the electricals, started tracing the air hoses.
We took off the lights as well and the snorkel and found out that the seal is not existent anymore. And that's about it.
Yeah.
Oh, we found a hole in the roof. That was a surprise.
Yeah. Long day.
Yeah.
So it's after work and we're working on Moggy again, of course, our second day job.
Woo!
What are we doing today?
I'll sand the tray, the frame actually. What's your plan, Patrick?
I don't know yet.
Stop the wind.
I'll see. So Yella was getting a bunch of dust in her face. We modified her safety goggles a bit. And it apparently works good now. Check it out.
I'm done. My arms are so sore, I can't lift them anymore.
Look how dirty she is. We have one side done.
Just one.
3 more to go. No, 2 more.
Now I'm handing over this awesome fun job to Patrick. Have fun, Patrick.
I will, thank you.
we're starting another day of working on the Mog.
Yep, it's Friday and
we couldn't wait for the weekend.
it's the weekend of working on the Mog.
Yeah. We're still actually sanding the frame and trying to get rid of these, what are they called?
There's like hinges for the tray sides.
These ones.
So we'll take those off, grind it all down so we can paint it.
So this is what it looks like when they're gone. We've done 2 so far, many more to come. He loves it. Now we'll take care of the snorkel as well. The paint is pretty bad, so we'll sand it down and spray paint it. And then also we have to take care of the seam because it's not sealed everywhere anymore. It is a new day and we're still doing the same shit. Sanding down the tray or the frame, and this is not fun. I'm done. Hallelujah. Beautiful, Patrick. It is dark and you can't see us probably, but we're trying to get the sanding done, which is a terrible job.
Paint in the...
And Patrick hates it so much.
So mad again.
So we decided to take the tray off, which is not an easy thing. So we got the forklift and we're trying to lift it up. We unscrewed all the bolts already, so wish us luck. That's what I'm here for. Woo! Flying tray! We made it!
It's finally off. Check it out. Zippy, Moggy is now
naked?
free to be worked on. No more tray.
You mean naked?
Whatever you want to call it.
And the tray's back there.
Awesome.
Look at Moggy. So weird. So now during daylight, the tray came off last night and it looks really naked now. Now sanding gets a lot easier. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. This is our mess. Check it out. That's what we use the cabin for. And this is what our roof looks like without the disgusting roof lining. So I painted this one as well because it was a bit rusty, so we sanded it and painted it again. This is the lid of the glove box. And good morning from Donnybrook. It was raining all night long, heavy rains and winds, and so we'll put the Mog into the parking shed. The van's already waiting. Yay! Alright, Moggy's joining the show. Coming up next, we started to take care of the cabin because the tropical storm forced us to work inside, so we had to leave the tray outside. Are we gonna be able to finally spray paint the tray? Stay tuned!